If you're a huge fan of tropical flavors in your smoothie, you have to try out this easy pina colada recipe, which has a twist because as you can see the color, we have a nice reddish color. This smoothie is loaded with lots of nutrients and it's perfect for you to try out. I love making smoothies because they need very minimal ingredients. So for today, we are going to be using some pineapple, that is fresh pineapples. We have mulberries, bananas, coconut milk, and sugar together with some ice cubes, which is going to make the smoothie super creamy. So into your blender, you're going to be adding in all your ingredients. So I'm going to start off with my pineapple chunks. Pineapple has lots of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients which our body needs, and also it's high in antioxidants, fiber, which makes the fruit super healthy. Next, you're going to be adding in one banana, and it's a good source of potassium. And it's going to add in lots of sweetness, creaminess to the smoothie. That is one banana. Add in a handful of frozen mulberries, ice cubes, sugar, which is going to add in some sweetness. You can substitute with some honey or maple syrup. And lastly, you're going to add in your coconut milk. Cover, blend until smooth. Once done blending, this is how your smoothie is going to be looking. It has a nice pinkish color from the mulberries. So now it's time to serve my smoothie. I'm going to clear the mess a little bit. I'm going to add in some ice cubes and transfer in my smoothie. This is how my pina colada is looking, and it has a gorgeous deep reddish color, which I absolutely love. It's perfect on the go because it's chilled, delicious, creamy, and it's worth trying. So yum, sweet, yummy.